There's one thing you know, now me and you my baby. See now me and you my baby. Oh yeah baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You dey drive me mad like damn for yeah. Tell me can I be your Emina?
Okay, so hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to show you different ways how I style my spring braids. So the tutorial for this hairstyle should be up before this. So I used spring twist hair to create this twist. So if you want to find out how I created this hairstyle, just go watch that video. So you can do this with spring twists, you can do this with two normal braids or twists. These styles are pretty much universal. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do my styles. And yeah, I'm not going to talk through it because they're pretty much self-explanatory. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. Now me and you my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. See now me and you my baby. Oh yeah baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You dey drive me mad like damn for yeah. Tell me can I be your Emina, oh yeah. Mama check come up, baby, yeah. I say waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me waiting I want just love. You ask me waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See her loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See her loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. Now me and you my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. See now me and you my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. Now me and you my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. See now me and you my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. Now me and you my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you my baby. See now me and you my baby. Oh yeah baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You dey drive me mad like damn for yeah. Tell me can I be your Emina, oh yeah. Mama check come up, baby, yeah. I say waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me waiting I want just love. You ask me waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, She be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I'm gonna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I'm gonna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go where the mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you. Oh, I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where the mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found some styles you like to do. There are more, but I'm a bit lazy, so I don't want to do any more. If I do, I will, but I will like tag pictures or whatever. But if you think of any other hairstyles I could do with this hairstyle you want me to try out and do like an Instagram video or something on it, just comment down below what it is, and maybe I will if there's enough likes on the actual comment. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought, and I'll see you in the next video.
There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I'm gonna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby.